lost and we parted. Back to back we would carry on, and we'd do anything for what we start.
Hey everyone, thanks for hanging out with me on my channel for another organizing video. So today I've popped down to Ikea, to Big W and to Target just to pick up some organizational products for my home. I've got a couple of projects that I want to really just fine tune and tweak at home, just little things around the house which aren't quite working. And if you've watched my other organizing videos, you know that I will not stop until I get it just right. It might be good organization, but unless it's great, unless it's perfect, I will just keep trying until I get something that just works perfectly. The focus of today's video will be everything that I've picked up from Ikea, and then I'll show you how I'm going to use it throughout the house to hopefully solve those little organization problems. And then maybe Wednesday I'll put a bonus video up this week just to show you the other things that I got from Big W and from Target to help out also around the house with different organizing projects. So let's get straight into what I got from Ikea.
Thinking about you, is it too late to tell you that everything means nothing if I can't have you? Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on, and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound.
Okay, so the organizing projects that I pretty much want to work on around my house is to have like a bookcase next to my desk area, which currently holds all of my glassware. And I wanted to get that changed over and packed up into the closed off cabinet just to keep it more dust free, and then to also have extra space for office type supplies and to get everything that is office related into that one bookcase cabinet. And then put all of my glassware and wine glasses, cocktail glasses, all of that kind of stuff, all in the closed off cabinet that is off my dining room area. So really all I'm doing is just a bit of trial and error, seeing what fits, how I can switch around what is already in the cabinet, what doesn't need to be in that cabinet, what I can take out of there and put into the kitchen, or what I can potentially get rid of and donate to charity. Just to make space for the glasses that I do actually use, but I just don't want them right next to my desk and being out in the open where they can get dusty. Those white metal shelf risers that you can see in those cabinets also come from Ikea. I didn't buy those today, I've already had those, but I use those a lot throughout my house. A lot of people ask about those. They are, I think they're called Varia. I will link down below what they are called. Always with Ikea, I cannot pronounce anything that I buy from there. But they are really handy and I do use them a ton throughout my home, in the cabinets, in cupboards. It effectively doubles up your shelf space, which is just awesome when you have limited storage space like in this apartment. So as always, when you're doing an organizing job, just give everything a nice clean down as you go so that everything goes back into a nice, clean, fresh home. So now that everything is nice and clean, I'm just rearranging the shelves in the bookcase, which is actually an Ikea Besta bookcase. I'll link the Ikea video that I've done where I've shown absolutely everything that I own from Ikea, which is probably like 90% of my home, in a video down below. I did have these white plastic containers. I think they're called, I'm not even going to try. I'll link the name of these white plastic containers down below. I had some of them. I really like how they work out. I really like how they look. They're super easy to clean. They've got lids so they keep dust out of the ones that you want to keep things dust free in. They're really durable. They look nice. I love the way that when it's just all white, it just kind of, it doesn't detract from your eye. It doesn't like pull your focus. It just kind of all blends in. It's all white and it just looks all neat, clean and tidy. Next area that I wanted to organize was just to replace these plastic storage containers that I've got in my TV unit. I'm not really a huge fan of these particular white plastic containers. They've got like this kind of wickery type finish on the edges, and they just kind of get all dusty and they just kind of look a little bit on the cheapish side. So I picked up another one of these actual wicker baskets from Target, and I was just going to replace what was in the plastic containers into the wicker baskets. I just like that they match the two wicker baskets that I've already got on the ends that I keep my throw blankets. The other one I use just kind of as a catch-all when I want to clean up really quickly. I'll just throw everything that is lying around the house into that basket and then use it to just take through and put away. If my kids leave anything lying around, I'll just dump it into that wicker basket and then they can be responsible for packing it up and putting it away, and then I don't have to look at a mess and I don't have to clean up their mess. So just in that first wicker container, I have got all of the Wii game consoles, my kids' headphones that they use when they're playing PlayStation, anything that is like cord or cord related. And then I'm going to put also the extra attachments to the Dyson vacuum cleaner. It's kind of a bit of a catch-all, but I don't mind. It's stuff that we use in the lounge room, in that area where it's located. So it's really handy just to have, really easily accessible and handy, but at the same time being out of sight, tucked away and looking neat and tidy. Now just heading back to my study area where I am emptying the remainder of my office type study materials. So I had some clear plastic boxes which are also from Ikea. And you might think, why are you emptying plastic boxes into other plastic boxes? It's just because the white plastic boxes just look a little bit more of a nicer finish. So they kind of look more like decor, whereas the other ones just look like plain basic plastic storage boxes that look a little bit on the cheap side. So obviously when you have open shelving like I do, I have extremely limited storage. So like no spare office space or no big linen cupboard or anything. You could potentially store all these things out of sight. When everything has to be stored inside, I obviously like the storage containers to look nice, to look white, to look clean, to look cohesive, and just to not look like basic clear plastic storage tubs. Picked up this oversized bamboo chopping board to place over my cooktop just to give a little bit of extra work surface or storage space to hold pots or decor items. I think it'll be super handy. It was really inexpensive. I think it was like $19. And it effectively gives a whole extra section of workspace or storage for pots and decor. Absolutely love it, and I think it was great for the price. The other thing I picked up was this white metal colander. I've been wanting to get this it's been kind of on my wish list from Ikea for quite a while, and I've always put it off because I thought, oh, it's not really essential. I do have like a kind of a flour sifter that I usually use to rinse off fruit and vegetables and things, but it just wasn't cutting it, so I just bit the bullet and bought it, and I absolutely love it. It's all in one piece. I'm pretty sure it can go through the dishwasher, so it's super easy to clean, and I think it looks great and it suits my kitchen. So after spending about 4 hours, and I'm not even joking, literally 4 hours, rearranging all the decor on my TV cabinet stand, the besta bookcase beside my study area, I'm finally happy with how it turned out. I think it looks awesome. I love how it's all white, clean and cohesive. How the TV cabinet now has a uniform look along the bottom shelf, all the same colored wicker basket. Everything is out of sight but easily accessible. I have had this song, Senorita, in my head for about a week now. It is absolutely driving me crazy, but I really do like that song. In fact, I've been listening to Shawn Mendes a lot, as you heard in the start of this video, and I'd highly recommend, if you like Shawn Mendes, check out the Late Late Show with James Corden when he does the carpool karaoke. It's really funny. He seems like such a nice guy and super cute. What a little cutie. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you found some inspiration and encouragement to tackle an organizing job that you might have. Hope you got some ideas from what I picked up at Ikea. Be sure to subscribe and check in on Wednesday, fingers crossed, if I don't have too much work on, to get that extra video uploaded on all of the organizing things that I picked up from Big W and Target. But a couple of extra organizing ideas that I want to get done this week. As always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe before you go, or better yet, hang out and watch a couple more videos with me. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.